Okay, what I have found to be so awesome and helpful about Trello is you can click on each card, just click in the middle, and like long press so that it highlights a word. And when you hit select all, you can select all, and it'll only select the words that you want. It doesn't select everything, you know what I mean? It only selects what's in the box, the stuff that you need. So you're gonna hit copy, and then you're gonna click on the picture. If you don't, I love this because I can click on the picture wherever I am. If I'm in the middle of the supermarket, I can click on this picture and download the image. And super quick, I just remembered I had to post something, and super quick I can go in here and go to my page, click on the photo, there it is right there, and paste the information, and then I just need to grab the link. So, and the other thing that I want to show you in this video, with how super simple this is you can schedule for like the entire week. You can schedule it in a matter of less than an hour. So if you saw what I did there at the top here under my name is a schedule button. It comes up whenever you're in a group that you created, and then you have to hit the toggle button and you schedule whatever day you want that to post. So 7 p.m. on Monday, whatever. And all of the days, I'm not doing that because this is not a post for my page, but all of the days that you're going to want to post this stuff are here. So day 0. These are all the things you're going to post before you even give the host access to the group. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to create her personal invite. Sorry. You're going to go ahead and create her personal invite by copying and pasting this entire thing into a message to her. And then you're going to go and grab I'm going to use this girl's nail bar. You're going to go here to the little shield at the top right corner, and you're going to share, and then you're going to copy to clipboard. And then in that message, you're going to post, or you're going to send her that exact thing that you just copied. And then at the bottom of it, you're going to put the link to the actual group. So when she sees it, it's going to look like this. It's going to have this whole message, the link at the bottom, and the cover photo is going to show. So they're going to be intrigued by whatever pretty nails that you put up there. And then instead of visit group there, it'll say join group. It gets a lot of attention when they send this message out. So, and then, I start on Friday. So I start posting on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then my official nail bar beginning, where I'm starting to tell them about the nail polish, starts on Monday. So that's why you see day 1, day 2, and it tells you what the days are too. So anyway, and it all goes all the way until Saturday, and I put still not convinced, and then I offer samples. And then also I have like a little thing on Saturday night. I asked if anybody wants to host a nail bar. So anyway, that is it for this recording. I'll talk to y'all soon.